Well, hello everybody. First time out on the Speedy for a little while since my hernia operation. I've been stuck to my lightweight scooters. This is just really a test to see if my operation can handle it. So I'm just doing a little circular route. I haven't got hardly any protection on, as you can see, so you know, I'm not going to go hell for leather. This is really just a early morning ride. Set off about 7:30 this morning. It's a very pleasant, I would say that's about 27 degrees. It's going to get pigging hot later. It's been very, very hot this week, sort of 40 degrees. But what a fucking lovely machine. Well, that's weird, riding without a jacket on, just a t-shirt on. I can feel all my muscles in my arms kind of flapping when I get up to speed. That's very weird. I don't normally ride. Didn't know whether he was going to turn right, so yeah, apart from, I can't remember the last video I did now with the Speedy. Might have been the accessories walk around. It's been 3 weeks, I think, since my operation. Maybe 4 weeks now. I'm a lot better than I was, obviously. I won't know if this has caused me any pain or not until I get home and I'm sort of resting up a little bit, and then I'll know if it's any more painful, my hernia, my patch, my puncture repair. It's such a lovely machine to ride. Doesn't matter really what road you're on or what speed you're doing, actually. It doesn't really matter. It's quite happy just tootling along at 60, 80, third gear, just pump it out of the corners. And it's just as happy on the sweeping roads doing 120, 140. It's just as happy. Obviously I could go a bit faster down here, but I am in my squid mode. So lovely and cool. So yeah, you've probably noticed on my channel, got a few CT125 videos. I do love that little bike. So does my missus, and her shoulders sort of got better now. Her collarbone breakage, she's feeling better now, so hopefully we'll be able to go slightly farther afield and start doing some more trails again on the CTs, which should be nice. Misty this morning, not such a grand view. Pretty much see right through to Myanmar from here. So I've got this in rain mode down here because it's quite bumpy. And obviously I don't need maximum acceleration and everything in sport mode. It just smoothens see all these concrete roads, or everywhere there's a join there's a bump and you go dum 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 dum. And obviously that can transpose into my arm and onto the throttle, and if it's on sport mode the throttle's a lot more responsive and you end up, you know, having to sort of ride, you know, like that. Slightly exaggerated, but you know what I mean. But in rain mode it just allows a little bit of movement in the throttle before it goes off, so it kind of smooths out all those wiggles and bumps and jerks. She's got some yank, this bike. Nice. Remember, I haven't got any protection on. So a nice steady pace will do, David. A lot of gravel around and sand on the road at this time of year. It's been very dry and very dusty. There was a good old layer of dust on my bike. I don't think I could have ridden it for 4 or 5 weeks. Can't believe it.